Hey guys, today I'm adopting my Webkinz Mocha Pup Snickers. Okay, so 1 minute, I'm gonna cut off her tag. Sorry, someone added me as a friend. Okay. So going to the adoption center right now. I cut off her tag. She's so cute. Adoption center.
Welcome back. Good to see you again. Are you thinking of adopting another Webkinz? If so, let's begin. Now it's time to give your pet a
Okay,
name.
it's gonna be a girl, and her name is going to be Snickers.
And let us know if your pet is a boy or a girl.
What now? Is that the name of your place?
Okay, Snickers.
Oh.
And
Well,
it's a girl.
It says Westminster here on the card.
Now it's time to enter your pet's
Okay.
secret code. The
You
secret
can look at
code
Snickers
is found on the
so
tag
into
attached
it.
to your Webkinz. The code must be unused or it will not work. Remember
Sorry
to
if it
save your
takes long, I
tag
still have to
and
take
keep
it out of
very
the,
secret. Your code will always prove that this account
thing.
belongs to you.
whatever. Okay, so I'm entering the code now.
There is a town. I used to live in Westminster years ago. Yeah. Do you know what any of the other main streets are around there?
I'm trying to make this as fast as I can. I'm sorry if it takes so long, guys. Okay.
For your security, please type the secret letters you see here.
It's not like a place that cooks your dinner and your meals. Oh, they do? You have a dining room to go to?
Congratulations. The adoption is complete.
Snickers, her birthday is March 23rd, and she's a mocha pup, and she's a girl. My pet's biography. Hi, I'm Snickers. I know we're gonna be best buds. My friends say that I'm playful, funny, and a good musician. I think bowling is the best. I'm pals with an American Golden. Oh, cool. I love her. I'll let you on a secret. I love marshmallows, and I've always wanted a gem hunt jewel box. Oh, that's so cool. She's friends with the American Golden Retriever.
You can do so now.
I'm on Maryland right now.
Have fun in Webkinz world.
Well, do they cook like meals, like chicken, potatoes, and meatloaf and stuff?
I'm so excited. Okay. Sorry. Her room, she is going to be sharing. No. Did I say sharing? I'm sorry. I already had a room for my pink and white dog, but
And you order.
I'll just have to wait. This takes so long. Okay, her room is.
And you have to order
I'm gonna rename it real fast. It won't take that long to name it, don't worry.
Yeah, they have them made up. And they don't bring them to you.
Hmm.
They have a dining room, but you can eat them in there, you can take them home.
Okay, Snickers is right there. I'll just leave it like that. Okay, so
Yeah.
I said the iguana and the lionfish. Oops. I'm sorry, this is the wrong room.
It's tape.
Ugh.
It's probably that they probably play the tape because he can't get around yet.
I'll just leave it like that for now. Sorry if this video is taking so long. I'm so sorry.
But he couldn't get around all over the place.
Okay, so we're going to open her gift box right now. This is her room. I already have it done. Aww.
So I guess they buy his
Here's her gift box.
video and they put it on the
I got a bonus gift box, a chocolate fountain, and a desert window. Cool. Her bonus gift box. 1,000 Kinch Cast. I need that. I'm gonna feed her. Okay, I want to see how this looks in her room. I think I'll put it right there. Oh, that's so cool. Well, thanks for watching the adoption of Snickers, and that's all.